Hi girls, these are the answers to Friday's test. So we'll go through them. So let me see. 200, 225, gap, 275, 300. We're going up in 25, so our next one would be 250. Name this 3D shape. It is a, Gavin?
Triangular prism.
A triangular prism. Very good, like a Toblerone. Oh, prism, or a tent. That's not very good spelling. Tick the most likely event. So the most likely, the event that has the most chance, the highest chance of happening. Clean my bedroom, forget to do my homework, or do my homework. Okay, for me, the most likely event is to do my homework. Okay, because I'm doing lots of work at home. All right. Tick which fraction is smaller, a half or 7/10. Now we learned that a half is the same as 5/10. So 7/10 would be bigger. So that means this is the smaller one. 8 times 7 is 56. 18 take away 9 is 9. 909 cent is €9 and 9 cent. 80 take away what is 10? 80 take away 70. Now show 9 o'clock on the analog and digital clock. So we'll have our clock here, our big hand for the minutes and our small hand for our 9. So that's on the analog time, and then our digital 900. And if you want, you can actually put a 0 there, and that's also correct. A quarter of 16 is the same as writing 16 over what? Okay, we're finding a quarter of 16 is the same as writing 16 over 4, because we're dividing it by 4. If I want to find a quarter of something, it means I want 4 equal groups. So I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. Tick which has the larger capacity, a 500 milliliter jug or a 1 litre jug. It is a 1 litre jug. Okay, move up to number 12. 400, take away how many hundred, take away what is 250. We take away 150. What 2D shape is a pizza? Well, it's a circle usually, but maybe if you have lovely homemade ones, you might make them a square, but it's usually a circle. 18 plus 42 is 60. Tick which fraction is larger. We have 3/4 and we have 3/8. So we have 3 parts for each of them. Now, I know my quarters are bigger, so this is going to be larger. Double 50 is 100. Is a circle symmetrical? Yes, it is. We can fold it and each side will be the same, or each side will be a mirror image of the others. How many sides is a rectangle? 4. 480, take away 120 is 360. Measure this line. Ruler, please. Okay, so I'm going to measure it. Okay, so I make sure I line up the beginning of my line, not with the end of this ruler. We always line it up on our 0. Do you see the difference? If I line it up with the end of the ruler, I'm not going to get an accurate measurement. I have to start where it says the 0, okay? And it goes up to 3 centimeters. So it's, where are we? 3 centimeters. Round 655 to the nearest 100. So we're rounding to the nearest 100. So is 655 closer to 600 or is it closer to 700? So we look at our 55. Is 55 above 50? Yes, it is. So we round up the way to 700. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Is that true or false? Yes, it's true. If I had 2/4 of a pizza and my friend had a half a pizza, we would actually have the same amount. 10 times 84. Now, when I multiply a number by 10, all I do is add a 0 to the other number. My other number is 84, so I just add a 0, 840. 9, 13, 18, something, 31. So, what's my sequence here? Okay, I'm adding on 4. Then I'm adding on 5. Let's try this one. I'll add on 6. So 18 plus 6 is 24. And then I should add on 7 and get 31. Yes, I do. Okay, so it's like I'm increasing by 1 in the amount I'm adding. €1.55 for an ice cream. What change do I get from €2? I get 45 cents. So get those corrected, girls, and let me know how you got on. Well done.